Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to customize Blocksy's cookies consent feature. Okay, so let's click on Blocksy in our dashboard and hover over extensions, click on that tab, and cookies consent. If it's disabled like gray like this, click on the toggle icon and it should be activated. And just to tell you, we don't really have any sure way to preview this, but let's head over to our other browser here, and you can see that we have this. So we can either accept or decline this. So let's head back over to our customizer, scroll down, and you can see we have extensions here, cookies consent, and you can see a while ago we had this. Let's make it this box here. Let's say cookies hello world. Okay, and we can change the typography and make it the whole thing bold. We can center it. Sure. Nah. And then we can make it wide, and then for our forms cookies consent, this is for our forms instead. And for our design, we can change the text color, which was gray. Let's make it bright red. And our accept color is going to be bright blue. Okay, so let's publish this and refresh here on our other browser. And you can see we have our cookies consent over here instead of the long one we had a while ago. So there's how you customize Blocksy's cookies consent feature. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to others like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.